there, boys and girls. I hope y'all have been having a wonderful day so far. I'm really excited to teach you something new. We're about to embark on a really fun adventure, so I hope you grab your swimsuit, you grab your goggles, because we are about to dive into a sea of knowledge about the oceans that we might not have known before. All right, get excited. So here I am, and I'm standing in front of a map of the world. Now guys, did you know that the entire Earth's surface is 70% covered with water? So for example, if I have this water bottle, and this water bottle is the entire Earth's surface, on the inside here, about this much, this is about 70%, about this much would actually be oceans, and just this top part would be land. Isn't that crazy? So what I want to first do is just give you an overview and look at where each ocean is located. So to start, we have the Pacific Ocean on the west coast of North America, North and South America. Here it is right here. Okay, we have the Arctic Ocean up towards the northernmost, near the North Pole, and we have the Southern Ocean, if you can see that, towards the bottom, towards the South Pole. Here in the middle, in between those two, is the Atlantic Ocean, and then let's see. Ah yes, one more. The Indian Ocean over here in between Africa, Asia, and Australia. So there we have it. There are 5 big oceans. Let's go ahead and dive into each one. First off is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean of the entire world. It covers 30% of the Earth's surface. The word Pacific comes from a Latin word called pacificus, and that means peaceful. But it's kind of ironic because the Pacific Ocean isn't really a peaceful ocean due to something called the Ring of Fire. Now, I've heard of the Ring of Fire before because I've seen Finding Nemo. But the Ring of Fire is a string of volcanoes that are still active, and they cause a lot of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, and so really the Pacific Ocean is not that peaceful after all. If you look behind me, I have a friend. There he is. There's my friend the turtle. Let's go ahead and talk about the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest ocean. It's located between the continents of America and Europe and Africa. It covers about half the size of the Pacific Ocean. It's much smaller. Sharks, such as the thresher shark, swim in the Gulf Stream, and they're found in these waters. Next, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean. It is also the warmest ocean, and because of its temperature and also low oxygen levels, it has trouble supporting sea life. However, it is home to the ginormous humpback whale. Next is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located around the North Pole across the Arctic Circle. On the Arctic ice is where you'll find many polar bears like these. There's the mama and there's its baby. Unfortunately, the Arctic Ocean's ice is shrinking by 8% about every 10 years. Last is the Southern Ocean. It is located around the South Pole, and it is across the Antarctic Circle. And the fun fact is that it is home to the world's largest penguin, which is the emperor penguin. If you can look, you see 2 holding little fins right here. Let's take a look at what's behind me. This is called the sea devil fish, and this is a fish that was actually in the Finding Nemo movie. It's very scary, and it lives near the very, very, very deepest parts and the darkest parts of the ocean. The ocean is, of course, blue, but the closer you get to the top, the lighter and prettier blue it is. But the deeper you get, like where this friend lives, it's very, very dark, almost pitch black in the bottomest parts of the ocean. Alright guys, let's recap on what we've learned today. We've learned about the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean in the world, and it's home to the Ring of Fire and the Great Barrier Reef. We've also learned about the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest ocean. It's home to things like the thresher shark, and then we have the Indian Ocean, which was home to the humpback whale, and it was located between Africa and Asia and Australia. And also we have the Arctic Ocean, which was home to the polar bear. The Arctic Ocean is very cold, just like the Southern Ocean, but it's easy to remember because it's up towards the north, and this Southern Ocean is towards the bottom, towards the South Pole, where we can also find the emperor penguin. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.